Oh man, well, I haven't been recording. We just got right into it and trying to hurry in the heat working with these cows, but we've been separating some bull yearlings out of this small herd here. We already got some of the cows back out of here, and we've got we got 4 yearlings in the trailer already. Yep. I'm going to keep a couple of these young heifers for replacement stock and take them, put them over in a different herd. But I see maybe I'm keeping this young bull. He's a dandy now. And that bull right there, he's going on there. I think that'll be the last one in this group that's going to go to the sale today. So that give us 5 on this load. That'll give us 1 replacement heifer here in the herd out of this group. And I'm going to keep him growing off as a young bull. Yeah. And then there's some younger ones here that just aren't up to market size yet. It's Melinda and I, and we got Michael here helping us some, but he's never done this in his life. So he's getting to hear me yell, hurry, hurry here, hurry, hurry there, get your butt over here, get your butt over there, don't get your butt there, don't get your butt here, but get your butt over there. I tell him, anything that I say when you're working cows, don't take it personal. Don't think I'm fighting or mad at you. I'm just a wound up individual when it comes to working these cows, boy. You got to be quick on your feet. So yeah, I get this 1 bull separated in here, and he'll go to market, and that'll conclude for today. I've got a few cows in here that's starting to get older, and in both herds I'm trying to keep a few replacements, like her over there. She's starting to get a little older, and I've got to think of a replacement for her future.
I think that 1 year it is, we keep it. I don't know if there's a baby, you
know. Here we go with this load right here. That red one's a dandy. Good looking. This will be money in the bank right here. Yeah, time to start recovering instead of spending. Gotta take care of business. There's that red one. Boy, some good beef right there. Ah, goodness, look at that. Well, there it is. Appreciate you guys. Mo, come in. Got put down on a round. you were hauling butt. I'll tell you, man. Well, I got this little small patch right here of hay I cut the other day to test the hay cutter out. It's just up back behind our house, and it wasn't real thick or nothing like that. I just like to use this like a test area, and it gets a little cleanup and mowing back behind us at the same time. So I cut it the other day and it dried out here. I just now raked it up and got the hay baler hooked on for the first time this year. And it's about to go out here and roll its first roll for the 2021 season, a late season. But so far I've not had to work on anything. All the equipment seemed to be in spot on condition, just the way I left it this past year. So that's pretty good, but I'm not surprised, you know, if we do have a breakdown, because that's part of it when you got a lot of equipment. Away we go. A little faster than I want right there, especially starting out. Well, it looks like it's taking the feed good. Sometimes when these balers haven't been used and you roll the first bales, it'll jam up or it don't want to pick up good. But it's went spot on from the start. Now I did keep this inside of a barn all winter long, and that makes a huge difference too, to keep it out of the weather. So it was in the dry inside of a barn all winter. I'm telling you, that makes a huge difference. Right now everything is going really smooth. It's already got a 4-foot roll inside of it. My pond is also looking very beautiful. Folks, this is what I try to tell you, that, you know, Mel and I, we work our butts off back here in Texas. We're gonna slow it down after we finish that house and property over there. But right now we're taking our earnings, and instead of taking away from our savings, our money put back, we're taking the money we earn from the farm here and a little bit from rentals. But the rentals right now absolutely suck. The taxes are high, the renters are damaging. They want cheap rent, and they want you to keep it like a damn palace and whine, oh man, you ain't fixed this, you ain't fixed that, but they ain't talking about the 15 things they broke. Yeah, I just say the heck with the rental business, the heck with it. Think about these small patches, you gotta do a lot of twisting and turning. See, it's got a gauge in front, it says 5 on it. Let me know it's got a 5-foot roll. This should be it, just about right here. Well, there it goes. See those little wheels spinning? It's wrapping the string on there, the twine. About to come in and cut right there. Yep, they both cut, both stopped. So that means the cutter's working good. Alrighty, let me kick it down a little bit and kick it out. There it goes, lifting up in the air. Let's see if it come out worth a darn. My first bale for the season. It might be ugly like a mangy dog. Ah, pretty little old bale. Pretty little old hay bale. Well, there it is. This is number one bale right here for 2021. Even though it's already over halfway through the year, it was a very wet spring while we were still in the Philippines, and nobody could hardly get up and roll any hay. Just a few people managed to. Of course, mine aren't those slick wrap bales that look so smooth. That's just a wrap. But I do put twine. I put quite a bit. I don't space it out real far apart. I'm a little liberal with it. White bale smells good. It looks good. Nice, symmetrical. Tight. Good and tight. Well, there it is. This is a good start. Very good start. Well, it is a hot and windy day here in North Texas. Got a little bit of clouds, as you can see, but the wind has been blowing strong, really strong at times, and then eases up and then pours in with some heavy gusts again. So meanwhile, the work continues around here for me, back in Texas and back to work. But I enjoy it, but I'm a little overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed because of the rent houses, not because of the farm. Well, I've been rolling hay here. You can see there's another bale I kicked out right there. I'm raking it up right here. My old rake, my dad's old tractor. This wasn't his old rake though. My dad didn't have hay equipment. Paid big money, hired it out, and then went in the hole every year on cattle. So what I'm doing is I'll make a few rounds with the tractor with the rake, and then I just stop it. I don't kill it or anything. And I jump over on the other tractor here with the hay baler, and I'll roll that up. And the reason I'm doing that is because the strong gust of winds, they'll come through here and they'll blow apart or roll away my windrows here. So I have to kind of stay near to the rake on these windy days like this before all your hay just blown out across the field. Once you fluff it up, that wind can grab it and go with it. And it's kind of nice to work it that way. I just leapfrog back and forth. I've done this so many times, and it works out. It's pretty cool. No help, cheap, profitable, and less stress.